Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can utilize Comp-1 with users clause. Now the question comes, what is Comp-1? So we will discuss this we will proceed in a way where we will firstly discuss the definition of Comp-1 and we'll try to understand why do we need this Comp-1 in COBOL program, how we can declare the variable with Comp-1. Okay, so these things we are going to discuss. In fact, we will also discuss the logic, the main logic that we are going to write in this TSCBPGM88 program. Okay, but before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previous release sessions first, because these all sessions of playlist are in proper sequence and sync. Okay, so if you follow them sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, as I mentioned that these all sessions are connected with each other. Now what we are going to do, we are going to continue with the session where I have created few things and this the basic thing I have noted down. So I'll firstly walk you through those things and then we will write the entire logic of the program. So I'm taking option 2 over here to take this program in edit mode, and from here you can see we have just noted down the identification division block. Now what is identification division block? Identification division block is mainly used to store the program identity related information. Okay, so when you want to store the program identity related information, then in that case we will utilize this division which is known as identification division block. Okay, all right. Now what all type of information we have stored here for this program? We have stored we have stored program ID, which is denoting program name. So you can see here program ID, program name is TSCBPGM88. Clear? And the second thing that we have mentioned here is author. So you can see author name is Tech Sharmit. Okay. Likewise, in your case, it would be a bit different. In your, you can put your author name and the program ID which you are using. Fine. After this, what we are doing, we have declared 3 command line. Now, how to initiate the command line or how to declare the command line? So to declare the command line, you can count it from the very first position. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now on 7th position, when you place asterisk, after that whatever you will write here will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so that's the reason I'm using 3 asterisk on 7th position in order to create 3 comment line. And after these asterisks are not important, only this position, only the 7th position asterisk is important. After that whatever you want to write you can write and it will be considered as a comment itself. Okay, so this comment I am using in order to show you the topic name in a box like structure. So you can see I have just created this box like structure for you where I have mentioned the topic name uses comp1 single precision floating point. Okay, all right. Now we have mentioned the comment. After that you can see line number 9 we have mentioned stop run, uh, which is the line which will terminate the program flow. Okay, so whenever we will reach this line it will terminate the program flow. Now let's start the discussion related to the program, like why we are creating this program, what is the topic, you can say comp1. So let's start with the definition of comp1. So comp1 is a data type used to store precision single precision floating point numbers in a binary format. Clear? So whenever you want to store the single precision floating point numbers in a binary format, then in that case we will utilize the data type which is comp1. Okay, and it is typically used for representing real numbers with decimal points, and it is stored in a format similar to the IEEE single precision floating point standard. If you don't know about this standard, it's completely okay, because for now we are just focusing on one part, that it is used to store the single precision floating point numbers in a binary format. Clear? All right, so let's start with the practical things. So as we know that we are going to see the demo, so for demo purpose, let's declare one variable here. And we all know that before declaring variable, we are supposed to declare data division. So let's start data division from here. So I will write here data division, then dot, and here I will insert one line. After this we will insert another line, and let's write the logic from here. All right, so now you can place your cursor on this line and just press page up. Fine. So in this data division we will put working storage section. Why do we declare working storage section? This section is mainly used to declare all those variables which we are going to utilize in our program. Okay, so let me put it here like this: working hyphen storage space section. Clear? And below to this we will declare the actual variable with the level number 01, which is denoting higher data hierarchy, then space and the variable name, for example var1. So I'm going to utilize this name or this data name whenever I want to access my variable value. So 01 var1 space, and after space you can put here the data. Instead of providing the data type, you can simply write here uses comp1. Okay, uses, or you can write in a small as well, space comp1. Clear? So we are ready with this variable. Now it's time to use this variable, because we all know that this comp1 is mainly used as a data type to store single precision pointing, single precision value, right? Okay, now let's add procedure division here. And why do we need procedure division? To write the main logic of the program. So here I'll write procedure space division. In this procedure division area, we will firstly print the values as it is. So display var1 value. This is just for showing you the output on the screen, okay? Like previous value and after value. So var1 value before any modification, then colon, and here we will write var1. Okay. Likewise we will add another. Uh, Likewise we will print the value after the modification as well, but before that let's move some value to it, so that you can see like how the value is stored. So here I will write 1.5. So move statement, move with 1.5, then space, and here I will write comp1. No comp1, it's var1. All right, so let's display the another line which will show you the output before in a after image. Okay, so display var1 value before, sorry, not before, this time we will write after modification, and here I'll write var2. Okay, so we are ready with this thing. Now it's simply press enter, and it's time to save this code. So I just write file for save and exit. Now I'll compile it by 14, and now okay, something is wrong, so maybe we are doing some spelling mistake here. Let's check. Working storage section var1 move is okay, display is also okay, stop run is here, data division, procedure division is also okay, storage section is okay. 01 procedure division. I think everything is okay. Not sure why it is giving error. Maybe any typo we are doing here. Let's try again. SP shift F6. Or maybe this is should be is okay. Let me check. Oh yeah, we are not using. Maybe that could be a reason. No, that's not an issue. Move 1.5 is okay. Maybe other any issue. Let's let's find out. Start. Let's read it from the beginning. Data division, working storage section. 01 for where 01 where one uses Comp-1 procedure division. Where one value before any modification is where one. Move 1.5 where one. Displays this. Let's do one thing, comment down all the unnecessary all these lines. So let's check if something is wrong with the declaration part or what. So this is also one way to check out your issue. So let me compile. Something is wrong in the declaration itself. Okay, let me check this issue. Okay, so I just changed my code again and I'll show you. But, but now it is working. Like if I take 14 now and compile it, it is working and you can see the output as well. Okay, so maybe there was some issue, not sure why it is happening. But fine, now it is working. So maybe you can try to write, you can refer this piece of code and just try to implement the same in your system. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.